So let's start the first article, right? The first article is about, we are talking about the 4th of March, right? The first article is about Indian cities, right? Now, do you know what is the problem in Indian city basically? According to WHO, if we take out top 50 most polluted city of the world, so around 40 cities are in India only.
Okay.
So this is actually very concerning issue in India, and I think Delhi is in top.
Top one around
Yeah.
the world.
No,
India.
Yeah, it was in top, I think, but I think some other city have become the top. But Delhi has one of the, I think. So I think this is very concerning issue. So actually, why? Why? Tell me the two reason.
Population
Why Delhi has a
density.
population density is getting the pollution,
Maybe activity, human activity is more now.
but Japan is more population density
Okay, I will
as
write.
compared to Delhi.
Stable burning around the Delhi.
Table burning. Okay, it can be one of the reasons. Second.
Solid waste management was not properly done.
Okay, good.
Construction activities.
Construction actually okay, but construction activity is going on everywhere
Heavy
around the world.
vehicles.
But vehicles is going on around everywhere around the world, not only in India. But why India has a higher population as compared to other countries?
In Delhi, no?
Not only in Delhi, but India has highest population as compared to other countries. I'm asking why. Even your Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, they have also high level of pollution.
Maybe lack of green belt.
Like up,
Green belt
what do you mean by green belt?
for like plants.
Plants.
Green belt.
But India has, yeah.
Especially in Delhi. Might be that.
See, okay, do you know what? India has poor infrastructure. This is the biggest reason. You know what? Everywhere is the population around the world. Japan has the world most
Densely.
population density around Japan. Tokyo city, Tokyo, most densely populated city. But you know, they have world class infrastructure. London, it has good infrastructure. Dubai, good infrastructure. Singapore, good infrastructure. So these are the city. But what right is that India needs to learn. India needs to learn from them actually. This actually what is required at present. And there is one report, I think, AQI, Air Quality Index. And do you know, according to WHO, if there are more than 300 scales in AQI, it means it has pollution level. But you know what is Delhi AQI? More than 1000.
Huh?
See how much, more than 3 times. You know, so this is the actual concerning issue in Delhi. So actually, do you know what? The problem is in infrastructure only, yaar. Tell me, what do you mean by statutory town?
Huh?
Statutory town.
Statutory town.
You were servant, na? Civil servant. So you should know that. See, if any town has more than 5,000 populations, and of that population, 75% are male, are involved in non-agricultural activities. And third is, if population density is, if population density is 400, so this is called statutory town.
400 per meter square, na?
हाँ,
Kilometer square.
yeah,
Meter square.
kilometer square.
Kilometer square. 400 per kilometer square.
Yeah.
Delhi, how much?
Delhi
30,000.
11,000.
30,000, na?
13?
30.
1-3.
No. I have learned before, I think.
No, it was 11,000. Check it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, around 11,000 per square kilometer. Yeah. Okay, leave it. So see, so this is important for our exam oriented. What prelims?
Statutory town.
Statutory town. Yes.
The 75 more than 400 per kilometer square.
More than 400 and
Population density
5,000 populations.
more than
5,000
population.
populations. And 75% population should be involved in non-agriculture activities.
Male population or population?
Male population should be non-agriculture activities. So this is the
Ocean
yes. And do you know what? So do you know what? India has a city like that, but they have not recognized them. They have not recognized them. So see,
India has?
India has many towns like that, but government has not categorized them actually. So this is the biggest problem. Union budget 2025 and 6 have created 1 lakh crore fund for urban challenge fund. So this is important. Urban challenge fund has been created when it is in union budget 2025-26. Urban challenge fund. So this is important.
Urban challenge fund.
Yes. It
Created in union budget.
yeah, union budget 2025-26. Now the next article about cyber crime. Which crime?
Cyber crime.
So do you know what do you mean by cyber crime? What?
I know, but I can't say particular definition about cyber crime.
And what is phishing?
Huh?
Phishing.
Fishing.
No, phishing is a cyber crime. It means that they will give you a fake website, and when you will click, your mobile or your laptop will be hanged, and they will
My mother
take all your informations.
80,000 lost.
Yeah. So this is kind
Last
of
month only.
yeah, and there is also one wishing, wishing, VASHANG. Wishing is, do you know what? Means कि they will send you one OTP. When you will enter that OTP, your money will be deducted. So and this is there is one more Mool account. Mool account, do you know what? It means कि suppose that one person does not know about their payment system. So someone other will suggest him, and he will take money on that. So these are some ways to how to do the cyber crime actually. And do you know what the problem in India? Cyber crimes are reported day by day, but recovery rate is less than 30%. This is very bad thing.
Reported, okay, but
Reported, but recovery rate,
resolving.
resolving issues less than 30%. So now tell me as an IS officer, tell me suggestions what should be done to resolve this cyber crime, because this is very concerning. So even one of my friend has lost 11,000 recently, I think, due to cyber crimes. So tell me now. Tell me, IS officer, tell me. Soon, tell me, soon.
More protection against accounting things through banks.
These are general points. Everyone can write this.
Awareness also is a general point.
Yeah. See, okay, let me tell you. See, whenever there is a talk of technological based solution, always give technological based solution only. Real time monitoring there should be. Like, see,
Real-time
monitoring. Suppose that there is any transaction between two banks. So they should know that. Suppose that you are transferring some money to your friends or family. So you suppose that you have account in your SBI. Suppose that. So SBI check that it is this money is going to which account. They should verify that time only. Suppose that you are working in any organization, so they are giving you salary. So they should verify that if salary is going in right direction. So these are called verified account, real time monitoring. So that will actually reduce somewhat cybercrime.
Real-time
And at the last, you already know that what awareness. So awareness is the last point, not the first point. I told you that earlier as well. So this was all about cybercrime. Okay. Next article is very very important. IR. It is international relations. One day I told you that a Russia has captured Crimea in 2014. 14. That's why Russia was taken out of from which organization? I told you in international organization.
Yeah.
Russia was member, but Russia was taken out from that organization because of this Crimea annexation. G8. Earlier, G8.
G8.
Earlier, Russia was member of G8, right? But Russia was taken out from the G8, and now it has become G7, and Russia is not member of G7. So mind it. So see, because Crimea was the part of Ukraine, right? So in 2022, again,
Ukraine annexed
Russia has attacked Ukraine. Tell me why attacked?
Ukraine want to join in
NATO. NATO. So Russia has attacked. Now 3 years have passed. So earlier America was supporting Ukraine, but now America is
Russia
supporting Russia. So some experts are saying that actually it is the fundamental change in American policy, but it is not. See, Russia always try to maximize. See, international relation is based on which principle?
Hegemony. National interest.
Yes. So see, USA always want its own national interest. See, USA wants to counter China, and China and Russia are good partners. So if USA will support Russia, so Russia will go away from China, and when China will be alone, so it will be easy for USA to counter China. So this is actually Trump policy. So
but now Trump is away from European Union.
It's okay. European Union is always with USA. There's no problem in that.
Why?
Because Trump already knows that there is only one competitor of me, that is China. So to counter China, there is a need of Russia, and the European Union is against Russia. So that's why USA is supporting Russia. Now tell me how it will impact India. This change. I told you that day.
You told me?
Yeah, I told you that day, but you forgotten in 8 days.
Yes. Wait.
How it will impact India?
China is India is neighboring country for China now.
That's why I said they could take PSI as optional. I would have taught everything, Now you will read other subject which is not linked with your UPSC, civil engineering. Still you have time. Think tomorrow. Okay, let me help you. See. Do you know what? If China was powerful, right? So to counter China, USA used to take the help of
Russia.
India. But now USA is taking the help of
Russia. So
there will be not good relationship between India and USA. That will impact the trade between India and USA. So this is a disadvantage for India
actually. To counter China, India helped USA actually.
Yeah.
But now Russia and USA become friends.
Yeah.
To counter China, so no need to good relationship India.
Yeah. So that will impact India's trade actually, because India is dependent on USA for the trade.
More tariffs.
So see, that is the problem which your writer is saying that. So this was all about actually. Second article about European ceasefire, the same issue. Because see, 3 years have gone. There have been ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. So there has been declaration of ceasefire between the two countries, and in which European Union is trying to have a ceasefire. Now tell me, why European Union wants that there should be ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine?
See,
Do you know what is ceasefire? What?
no firing.
Yeah.
Stop.
So tell me why
temporarily.
why European Union want that there should be ceasefire between the US between Russia and Ukraine? Tell me why?
Obstructions from trade, maybe.
Yeah, that is one most. And next, which trade?
Oil.
Yes, because Russia is a good exporter of oil to European Union. So due to disruption, they are getting affected.
Oil means edible oil or crude oil.
Crude oil, edible oil, no.
We are taking oil from Russia now, so that's it.
But not taking edible oil. We are taking crude oil.
Oh.
Yeah.
But in COVID,
We are taking edible. We are taking edible oil from Indonesia,
Indonesia.
Indonesia, Malaysia, and these countries. Yeah. So see, now see. So European had this interest. Now see. Two major countries of Europe, France and Britain,
Britain.
are saying that there should be
Ceasefire.
ceasefire. Yeah, not all countries, two countries, and these two countries are the permanent member of.
ENSC.
Yes, and so see, do you know Russia is very powerful country in military aspect. So these European countries are feared that if I try to maintain a ceasefire and what if Russia attacks, because European Union has not that much capacity to counter
Russia.
Yeah. So
If ceasefire are done, then why they are bothered about military?
not done. They are trying to do.
Oh. If there is no ceasefire, it will attack on Ukraine. But why European Union afraid of this?
Because see, who is it trying to maintain ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine? European Union. So what if Russia get angry and attack on European Union then?
Why? They are suggesting now.
Because Russia wants that. No, not suggesting. Because Russia wants that there should be condition fulfilled first. Do you know what is Russia condition? That
Nation.
Ukraine should not join NATO. Second, Ukraine should maintain good relation with Russia. Third, Crimea, which has been annexed by Russia, it should be given special status.
Special
Status by Ukraine. These three conditions, but that PM of Ukraine is not accepting. So now European
Zelensky.
Union, but Zelensky, something like that. So but now European Union is trying to maintain that ceasefire.
Peace.
Yeah.
For peace.
So what if Russia get angry and attack?
One
Do you know?
correct me.
Alone Russia has more powerful to attack all European countries because it has nuclear.
Weapon.
Only
European Union don't
have,
have.
but not that much capacity as compared to Russia.
If they both have a.
They both need all European Union together cannot counter Russia alone. Yeah, only one country can do that. You know which
Only one country.
can
China.
counter? No,
USA.
USA can counter Russia. And so do you know what European Union has done? European Union has said USA that see, I am trying to maintain ceasefire, and if Russia attacks, so please give me support then.
USA said like that.
European Union has said to USA, I am trying to maintain ceasefire, but if Russia attacks, then please give me support. This concept is called backstop policy. Backstop, BACKSTOP. This question can be asked in prelims.
Backstop policy.
What is back? Back means piche. Backstop, backstop policy.
Backstop policy.
Yeah. So this is the policy where USA will support if Russia will attack on European Union. So this was basically all about the article. This is going on. Let's see what happens in future. Now the next article about Indian. This is very important actually. It is inspiration for you actually. Do you know what? Indian Express Excellency Award is given to DM, District Magistrate Collector, IS. Suppose that you have done wonderful in your district as an IS officer, na? So you will be given award.
What we can do as a IS?
Like
Providing water supply.
water supply, city development, agriculture productivity,
No.
agriculture productivity in your district as a IS.
How
Whatever you
can
do.
we do agriculture productivity?
Why you cannot do?
How? I don't know. I'm asking.
You can construct the dam. You can construct the water tank for irrigation purpose.
We can't. We can't
Why
do
you
alone.
cannot? As a DM, under your it will be done, na? Under your supervision. Yeah. See, there are only three more powerful in India. There are three powerful person in India: central level PM, state level CM, and then district level
DM.
DM. means IS. So see, in district you are most powerful person. Whatever will happen, it will be happen under your supervision. So that's why I'm saying that please get ready and try to get in top 10 to get the choice of your cadre.
State cadre.
Whatever you want, state cadre, and whatever you preference you want. So you will get only then when you get a good rank. So this is. So see, now the what examiner can ask. This award is given
To
by
district
biennial. Biennial
Indian
means
Express. Huh?
biennial means
By
biennial.
biannual means 2 years one.
Yeah. So this award is given 2 years, and this is the third time it's given. So this is the only what is important. Now the next article is about private moon landers.
Private.
Do you know private means private players are launching missions for the moon.
Moon.
Actually, earlier government agency used to launch like NASA, but now private sector is doing. So I think this is wonderful. Tell me, is there any private space agency of India as well?
Private space agency.
This is your homework. Tell me the private space agency of India, if India has. Yeah. So see, do you know there is one Firefly Aerospace. It is a private agency of USA,
Yes.
and it has launched Blue Ghost, right? Blue Ghost mission in Moon. So that is what you need to remember. And please remember that it is a second, not first. It is a second private space mission in Moon. One has already been done,
By
right?
Japan.
Yeah.
By
So
Japan.
no, not Japan. By USA only.
By US.
Yeah,
Robotics.
yeah. So this was only important. That what is going on. The next is India's agricultural export has increased by 6.5%. So this is good thing. But the problem, do you know what? What is bad thing? India's agriculture
mediocre.
imports have also been increased.
Increased, huh?
Yeah, by 18%.
18%.
So if
it is 7%.
So if import is more and export is less, then it will lead to
Deficit.
Yeah.
Trade deficit.
yes. So this is the concerning issue. Tell me, what are the major products which India export to the world?
Major
Major agricultural product which India export to the world.
wheat, rice,
Not wheat, rice, basmati rice.
basmati rice.
Do you take
Punjab.
basmati rice in your state? Basmati rice don't take. They
For
want
only biryani.
only biryani all the time.
For only biryani we.
Eat basmati.
Mm.
Okay.
In your state, we use it to eat only basmati rice alone.
No. They are broken rice as well.
Okay.
Do you know what is broken rice?
No clue.
Yeah. So basmati rice, broken rice, and spices. Three things. India export more to the world. So this question can be asked in prelims. Now, what India import most? Edible oil. Second, pulse.
Pulses.
Third, kesu. Kesu means
That cashew nuts.
yeah. You should take that. Just put. Why?
I am eating that one. Date bites, it is enough.
Not it is enough. Okay. Kesu is other thing. Date bites is other thing.
No, date bites, it is included. Badam, cashew.
No, but that is manufactured. But kesu is original.
Okay.
And you should also take almond. Or do you know almond?
Mm-hmm.
So see, this is so. Actually, you need to just understand the trend what is going. And the next is olive-ridley turtle. You have got this.
Gahirmata.
Yeah,
And
Gahirmatha and
Rusikulia,
Rusikulia.
Orissa.
These are the two mass nesting, right, of olive-ridley turtle actually.
This time more.
Yeah, this time February, because this is the first quarter of the night, so they actually. So now see what is important that okay, now this is your homework I am giving you. Tell me what is the status of their IUCN status.
Huh?
IUCN status.
IUCN.
IUCN, do you know what is it? It means this is the agency which give the status of animals and plants.
IUCN status for?
Yeah, like endangered, critically endangered, like that.
Okay.
Of olive-ridley turtle.
Okay.
Olive-ridley turtle. You have to give this status
Tell
of
me difference between turtle and tortoise.
Yeah, one can survive in both land and water, and one can survive in only land.
Which one?
Turtle can survive in both,
Hmm.
and tortoise can survive in only
Tortoise not survive in water.
no. They generally do not go in the water. They generally live in the land areas only.
And one more difference.
One more difference what? One is herbivores and one is carnivores.
Only carnivores. They don't eat vegetables, no? Like green.
Yeah. So see, these are the articles of the
4th March.
4th March, which I told you.